So what do you think of AI? Where do you see it? You see it?
Yeah, I mean, AI is definitely going to be progressing, especially within, recruiting, because a lot of it is, could be utilized by AI,
Right.
creating job descriptions and postings and even doing the search. There is a lot of creativity and intuitiveness within recruiting that AI doesn't quite have.
Which part?
I think the meeting the candidate part, like
Yeah,
just
yeah.
sitting in front of them, getting a sense of their energy,
I think this was your strength. I think this was one of your strengths, right? Like, I mean,
definitely.
definitely what it is would be like the ability to scan a person,
Yeah,
quote unquote,
right.
and then, analyze and say, oh, I think it's that feel. It's that. I mean, there's
Totally.
a few things that you pay attention to: their dress code, their
Of
demeanor,
course. Yeah.
their voice,
Yeah.
their passions.
Yeah.
You probably what questions do you usually ask? What do you care
I
about?
mean, you go through their resume and you see how they answer their questions. There's a lot of basic questions that people ask. Tell me about your last position. Why
Right.
did you leave? Sometimes people get too honest, and a job as a recruiter is to really listen. A lot of recruiters do a lot of talking about position and all of that. I like to step back and let the other person talk because I get to know them and get a sense of who they are. And how they answer the questions. Are they going into detail? Are they bad mouthing their boss? Are they, jumping every 2-3 months to a new job? So all of these things you take in consideration, but definitely a lot of scanning involved. I'm reading the person and listening to what they say and what they don't say.
So, at what point of the screening process do you talk about the culture? To see the fit of the culture fit.
It really just depends on the candidate and when that comes in. A lot of Gen Z and millennials, they like to ask that question fairly early on in the interview.